Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to password protect your website on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To password protect your Wix website, you can follow these simple steps. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to your dashboard and click on the left side panel where it says Sites. Once you have selected the website that you want to edit, there's going to be an option here on the Pages and menu. For example, you wanted to password protect this one, okay? I'm going to rename this one as this. Click on Done. And then there's going to be a 3 dots icon here. Click on Settings. And as you can see, there's going to be an option that says Permissions. You see? You can control who can access this page. Like everyone can access this page, site members. Now, for all members, you have more options like site and collaborators will have access, specific members only. Or you can put in the members with roles, like you can give them a role, members with planned subscriptions, or maybe site collaborators. Now, the middle section or the center option is going to be the one that will password protect your Wix website. All right, so visitors with a password can view this page. And of course, you can set the password if you want. For example, this one. That's going to be your password. All I have to do is click on Done and click on Save. All right, so basically that's how I'm not going to save it right now because that would interfere with my my site. But the idea is that, for example, you offer exclusive content like online courses, members-only blogs, or premium resources. Password protection ensures that only subscribed members or clients can view. Now, for websites dealing with sensitive information such as financial data, client details, or intellectual properties, password protect, all right, adds an extra layer of security to keep that information safe. It helps maintain control over who can access certain content, providing flexibility for various business and personal purposes. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.